Previously on the Rain Brings Weather show, a love story between Pancho Weedman and Rafael Joseviano Espiano del Gringo, dancing for the love of Maria Weedpicker. Who will she choose? Who will win the dance-up? Let's watch and see.
No, I must choose. You both dance very well, but my heart goes to the Mexican and the turtle.
No! How could you?
I can't stand you no more. All you do is drink tequila.
I love my tequila. I want some right now. And I want some of my weed before I kill you both. How dare you take my woman from me? How dare you smoke my marijuana? I shall shoot you. Who shall I shoot first? Shall it be you?
Please don't shoot him.
Shut up! Die! Die! Yes. Oh my goodness. I can't believe my life has come to this. Now, there's only one way to go. Smoke some weed. Drink some tequila. And end it all. Goodbye, cruel world. Goodbye. Well, that's the end of the story. I know it was wonderful. We know you enjoyed it. That's what happens when you cheat, lie, steal, drink, and don't dance that good. You wind up dead or shooting yourself. Until next time on the Rain Brings Weather show. Now, let's have a round of applause for our actors. Jorge Garcia. Turn around, Jorge. We cannot see your face. Hey, give a bow, give a bow. Hey, and the beautiful Roxana Bovama. Hello, thank you very much. And of course, the Ninja Turtle himself, Rico El Tico. What a great production. Let's all bow. Until next time. The conga line. The conga line. Hey! Hey! Hey!